Whether it's a hike in the mountains, a walk on the beach, or simply sitting in a park, spending time in nature can help us feel more connected to the world around us. 2. Be present. When we're in nature, it's important to be present in the moment. Instead of getting caught up in our thoughts or worries, try to focus on the beauty and wonder of the natural environment. Take a deep breath, feel the sun on your face or the wind in your hair, and take in the sights and sounds around you. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment and paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Practicing mindfulness in nature can help us feel more connected to the natural world and cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. 4. Meditate. Meditating in nature can be a powerful way to connect with the natural world.